You baked the cake, frosted it, and stored it in the refrigerator. Now, you wonder, how long does frosted cake last in the fridge? How long does frosted cake last in the fridge? Overall, a frosted cake's shelf life relies on different factors, such as the preparation method and sell-by date. Moreover, cakes with cream cheese frosting cannot withstand warm weather. For this reason, you must refrigerate cakes with cream cheese frosting for 1 to 2 days. On the other hand, cakes with buttercream frosting last for 3 to 4 days. Furthermore, please chill fresh cakes for about 15 minutes uncovered in the fridge to harden the frosting. Then, you can loosely cover the frosted cake with an airtight container to allow the frosting to set. The most effective way to store a cut frosted cake. As much as possible, when you cut a frosted cake, make sure to cover the sliced edges with more frosting. Doing this protects the cake from losing moisture when storing it in the fridge. Alternatively, press a piece of cling wrap onto the slice side. In addition to that, ensure that it sticks. After that, cover and store the cake as you would similarly with an uncut frosted cake. How long is frosted cake safe to eat? Essentially, the most suitable location to store frosted cakes is in the fridge because they lengthen the cake's shelf life. In addition to that, they do not need defrosting. Moreover, please refrigerate frosted cakes made with dairy ingredients as soon as possible. If you want long-term preservation, the best way is to freeze the frosted cakes. With that, frosted cakes are safe for consumption for up to 12 months. Angel food cake and cheesecake are safe for consumption if frozen for up to 3 to 4 months. However, freezing the frosted cake will affect the consistency and texture after 4 months. Cake storage tips. Do not put cakes with food coloring, sugar paste, and fondant in the fridge because they tend to bleed. But if you plan to make a frosted sponge cake, you can freeze the sponge. Remember that a cake tin lined with greaseproof paper is excellent for cakes with buttercream frosting, especially if you keep it at room temperature. Furthermore, when making a cake with whipped cream frosting, make sure to store them in the fridge. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.